We finally have an update for you guys. Welcome to episode 7 of our custom home building project. I am standing at the very beginning of our driveway. We have a driveway. This vlog has been 4 months in the making. Let's walk down this new driveway. If you are not familiar with the project that we are doing, I will have a link in the description to the playlist for this project. When we started this project, we were told that they would be buttoned up after a week. Okay, we didn't factor in a few things. Labor shortage, job priority, weather, and material shortage. So let's take you back to September when it all started. Joel texted me this morning and said, I need my junky shoes from the garage. Now, if you understand Joel, he has a lot of work shoes, but like each work shoe is for different types of work. As you can see here, he specifically said my junky running shoes. I would think that these look pretty like junky shoes, but I think these ones are the most junky of the running shoes. Now, he really likes this style, if you can't tell. So I'm assuming, I don't know what he uses these ones for, but these are his most junky running shoes in the garage. So I think it's a safe bet to take these ones. Look at this. He has this exact same boot for a different occasion. He has the same exact one here. He's got these that he has multiples of, and they're all for different things. He's so funny. And what's ridiculous is I have a really hard time getting Joel to keep a pair of shoes for nice occasions. Like, I have bought him tennis shoes and I'm like, okay, you cannot use these for anything else other than us going out. Next thing I know, he's like, well, I really liked those nice tennis shoes, so I made him my nice work tennis shoes. We thought we were done with the road, but Joel's been out here all day and there's not much of a difference. We're just standing on a new pile of dirt. He's sunburnt and sweaty. It's about 100 degrees out here, but and it's like we've already mapped out where the road was kind of tentatively gonna go, but there's always like issues, there's always factors that you have to factor in, and then you gotta wait on people to answer your questions. And anyway, I feel like it's been a waste of a full day, but I know it hasn't. I know it hasn't been a full waste because, there's been some progress, but still a ton more to go. Well, it doesn't look like much, but he is carving out the very first little bit of driveway. Yay. Wow. Here I was just like, man, I don't know if we're gonna see any action today. Well, would you look at that? Joel said first things first, he's stripping the vegetation on where the driveway is gonna be because you can't leave it underneath. Is that correct?
Will rot and then your road can settle. So.
Oh my, wow, that's actually really interesting because I did not know that.
Me neither.
I definitely feel like you're king of the hill, honey. We're standing up here on this hill watching him dig out the road, and it is actually really fun to see the change that we made. So he came up right here and there was a really sharp turn, and then it went really far down below this hill where you couldn't even see it. And Joel and I had the exact same thought at the exact same time. We were like, okay, we need him to bring it up a little bit more, which is exactly where he's going. And then when the driveway came across here, we were like, come up a little bit higher so that there isn't a sharp turn right there. Honestly, I love being here every step of the way so we can perfect it exactly to what we're envisioning.
And if you're not there on site, man, you're just whatever they do, and then to redo it costs twice as much.
So this is Joel's full-time job, is being out here. I only come up when I need to film.
When you need a pretty girl?
Yeah, and when you need some water and sunblock. We're just kind of dreaming what kind of landscape we're gonna do. It's like, okay, we're gonna put rows of grapes here or peaches. We don't really know yet. Maybe a row of, ooh, maybe the grapes would be pretty on this side.
Yeah, I think the grapes would be pretty here.
I do too, okay.
I get my peaches out in Utah.
Na na na. positive that this LeGrand Johnson truck is heading up to our new place. I'm pretty sure. So let's get up there and we'll see.
Don't get your hopes up too high, Mom.
What did I tell you? We followed that truck all the way up here. The boys brought their friend Sway because they're like, Mom, we don't want to go out there. It's so boring. I was like, Sway can come. They're like, okay. I followed that truck all the way up here.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I was like, is that a LeGrand Johnson truck? I was like, they're going to my house.
Sure, shooting is. These guys have to use the driveway to get out.
Oh, really?
So they use the driveway and then they go out the other road.
So they go all the way down and then they go out the back road?
How cool is that?
It's really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I think you look so cute, Mr. Hoellein.
Oh, thanks.
I mean, that's a truckload and it doesn't seem like hardly
Seems
anything.
like nothing, isn't it? There's been so many trucks. We
Oh
have
my
so many
word.
more.
You see these boys down here, what you don't see or hear is me frantically yelling as loud as I can. Stop! Wait! Stay together! Those trucks will not see you! They will crush you! So they were really good to listen and to wait. See, they gave me the thumbs up, like, okay, Mom, see, we waited for it to pass. Are they good now, Joel?
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah! They're really good to listen. That's because they know that me yelling at them is probably worse than them getting ran over. Good job. The dump truck is high centered and can't move. So I think the tractor is about to shove him. He is. And what's incredible is these guys aren't even talking to each other. They just see what's happening and just do their thing. That was awesome. Is that like a baby tarantula? Look at that spider.
No,
It's like hairy.
It's a field spider. It's not a tarantula.
Looks like a baby tarantula.
No, they're big.
So we've got about 4 of these trucks that are bringing in loads of road base, and they're kind of just circling, coming in, dumping, going and picking up more road base, and then in between the tractor is pushing the road base where it needs to go. I'm down here at the bottom, kind of at the bottom, I'm about halfway. What are you guys doing?
Carving out holes so we can try to fit in.
Oh boy, oh boy. Not sure what I think about this idea.
Cold yet?
Well, the scenery here looks a little bit different. We have not given you an update for about 2.5 months, and that's because we haven't had an update to give. Very long story short, the company that's doing our driveway does not have enough employees to finish our job. However, they are here today. Hold on, they are here today, and they are starting the work, and there is no other update because we cannot do anything else until this driveway is done. Guys.
Did you see those videos?
Yes, what are you guys out here doing? Just sledding, having a good old time?
Yeah.
You've been out here all morning, you tired?
You guys soaked yet?
Yeah, are you soaked?
No,
They have got to be soaked. Lincoln, I know.
Got a little hot chocolate?
It's all gone. My hot
It's all
chocolate.
gone.
And it's not hot.
Half of one is in my truck. Stick. Oh, that's what I was worried about.
What happened? Is he okay?
Yeah, he's good. Lincoln's faster.
Oh! Is he okay? Oh my word. Are you kidding me?
Code, we should be able to jump and jump
That's amazing! Lincoln won. They were racing and Lincoln totally won. That's awesome! Do you see the ice fisherman? Now that the driveway is finished, we are able to apply for our zoning permit. As soon as we get the zoning permit, we will have our building permit, and then we'll be able to break ground. Starting off, we're going to drive down the road that we extended in episode 6, if you didn't see that. This driveway is 600 feet long and 22 feet wide. There is a big drop off on the side of the road around this curve that we will address later. Once the house is finished being built, we will go back and put a black asphalt over the top to seal the driveway. Until then, it's just road base. The driveway will come straight on the front of the house, which is where they ended their work. It will, however, curve around into a roundabout that goes to the shop and garage. So this might not seem like a lot, but prep work is everything. And this is a big deal. It's a really big deal that we're able to be at this stage. It is 20 degrees out here, so my little red fingertips are ready to go get back in the car. Thank you guys for watching episode 7. I am so happy to finally give you an update on the building process. It is slow, but it's going. It'll be worth it in the end. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video. Starting off, we're going to drop the road rounding.
Oh, geez, you see my shadow.
Geez, I wonder if we should record with yours. This has so many spots all over it. This vlog has been 4 months
Say
in the
it one
making.
more time.
Okay.
I think I made a sound.
But I got scared for a second.
That's great lighting. You look so good. Just
Do you want me to say something again?
This is cute because it's like closer, but you still see the road. So
Okay.
it's a good change.
Is my hair okay?
Yeah, it looks really cute.
Okay.